Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen. If it doesn't show up, press and hold the button again. And after some time it should pop up on the screen. And once you see the power menu, tap on the power off option. Oh, my bad. Let's do it again. And tap on the power off option. Then tap on power off to confirm. And the watch will turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.